You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce more confusing names in English and the name of this year or this date. If you want to learn more confusing ones, I've got more videos for you, so stay tuned. It's normally pronounced in English as 2011 as a date, alright, as a year. As a number, it's 2011, okay? So in English, even for the date, you could say both, but it's more commonly said as 2011, but you could say 2011, that's fine too. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.